Hey, what's going on? So you clicked on this video because you want to replace your window regulator in your door, 99 to 06. It should be the same for both driver and passenger door. This will be step by step on how to replace that old son of a bitch. You know, all these trucks have the same issue. Windows hardly roll up, and if they do roll up, well, you got yourself some one-of-a-kind truck. So let's get right into it. Stop talking about getting into it. We'll just do it. All right, so first thing, I always just get a screwdriver, get behind there, plop that on the floor, get this guy. You can just pull this out. That covers up your mirror bolts and your harness that I don't have because you know, I'm not rich enough to afford the cool little blinker style mirror. Next, I pull this guy out. You know, should come out pretty easy if it's coming out a lot of times. These are just tabs here that just got to push in. We'll see if I can do this with one hand. Could not get it with one hand. So all you gotta do, press the tabs in, just give it a little wiggle. She should pop right out, just like so. This one up top, you're probably gonna have to use a screwdriver to get that one. Perfect, got that guy out. Next step, before I forget, take your screwdriver again, put that guy under there, long end maybe, I don't know. That works. Popped out like so. Perfect. Now you got pretty much everything off that you need off, except for a bolt here, right above your handle, and then one on the bottom, which I don't have. There you go. You can see that bolt there. And then there's going to be one at the bottom right there, but I don't have that, so only have to worry about this one. It's a 7mm. Just get this guy loosened up. You can get it out with your hands. Why are you rolling so far? Here she's coming. Stop it. Come on. You know you want to come. There we go. Got that guy. Alright, now all that's left, I believe, is to take the door card off. All you gotta do is lift up, pull out. Now you have another connection. You can see it right here. That's, I think, the tweeter. After all that, you got your door card. Next step, here's your window motor here. Just take that old screwdriver and pop it in there. Alright, got that out. Next thing is taking these guys out. The last time I removed my window, oh yeah, gotta plug that in. So this is before and after. Here we go. Probably about 9 seconds. That might be a personal best for this thing. All right, so I'm gonna take the window out. You really don't have to, but I'm going to. 10mm for the bolts, and there we go. You don't really have to do it that much, undo it that much, put it that way. Just enough to get it to the point where it's loose, because all it is just a pad that squishes the glass. All you gotta do is just find a way to get it out of there. I find it's easier to just twist it. And it'll come out like so. If you don't have a replacement window, I highly recommend not dropping this. It'll help you out. Now that the window is out of the door, get started on taking the regulator bolts out. There's going to be one here, one here, one here, and then exactly the same on the other side. This one is loose. Oh my god, it's finger loose. Alright, well, take this one out. So the bolts we're worried about are right here. There's one right here, and then there's one down on the bottom of the door right here. So make sure the ratchet's going the right way. So now that we got all the bolts out, this guy can just kind of sort of fold up. Like so. You can just rip her. It comes out pretty easily. Not too bad. Now, the reverse of what we just did. Your kit might or might not come with the bolts. Mine did last time. Not this time though, for some reason. Just a fair warning. There's grease on these rails here. So if you don't like grease being on your hands, either wear gloves or just wash your hands when you're done. But other than that, this is not a messy job. Alright, so what I got here is something pretty important. So with this all installed, well, not installed, but in the door, just line up your bolt hole to the hole in the door. See this tab here in the door. What I was gonna say, there's a tab in the door that is supposed to come through the door, but it appears that it doesn't want to come through the door. Just grab your bolts, one there and one at the bottom here. And I have one here which goes into there. You can see right here that there's the tab there, hole for the bolts right here. That's pretty much it. You can get all these bolts zipped in real quick. Got those in, and clip that guy back. Go ahead, plug this in, make sure, oh, the lock works. I just scared myself seeing that. It would help to turn the truck on a little bit. Now for the fun part, you got to put the window back in without breaking it. Takes a bit of finessing to get it in. All you got to do, line it up with these guys, give her a couple good taps, go to the other side. Yeah, you can really see what I'm saying here. Is it just sandwiches the window? You don't need to overly tighten though. Good enough for government work. So that is all it takes to replace your window motor. I'll just start putting the door back. Don't forget to plug your tweeter in. And then just find the holes in the door. That'll do. Grab your long 7mm bolt, find the hole, go to town. Alright, get your full controller here. And shove your wires down in there. That should work. and then your block, and then your triangle piece here, and then the last thing is your handle cover thing, and it's easy as that. Yeah, that's how you do that. You like this video, give her a fucking thumbs up. If you don't really give a shit. That's how you replace a window regulator in your Silverado or your Suburban or your Blazer, whatever the hell. I don't know. It's pretty much the same across damn near everything GM made during these years. Yeah, that's about it. And if I ever make another YouTube video, I'll see you in the next one. Adios. Sorry, I have a short temper.